So you guys see these little acorn things? Well, I collected a few of the bottom pieces. Another rock. And I was thinking it would be cool for people to collect these and sell them, like little bird baths for little gardens, miniature gardens. So basically, you will get one of these like this, and then you'll grab like a twig like this one or something, or one that fits perfectly in the bottom, then glue it, and then stake it on the ground like that so it'll come out, see, like this, and then put like some type of sealer so the water can be retained in here. And yeah, so this will be for like little miniature gardens. And see, it already has like the connection here right there, so maybe you could use the same type of wood, but obviously it has to be straight and it has to be up and down, and that'll be your miniature like bird feeder type of thing. And if you're creative enough, you could even put a little tiny bird right there, and you could sell them on Etsy or whatever. They look cute, so you would have to just spend the time to make it look really nice. Put some gloss paint on it, nail polish type of stuff, and add it to your like a little planner in the office or something. And then every time you water it, add some water right here. I don't know. Be creative, people. Make something out of nothing. Make some money out of nature's free resources. Think.